Morning everyone. Today we are going to perform experiment number 7, that is generate FM wave and measure its modulation index. So in the experiment number 6 we have already calculated the delta F, that is frequency deviation, which is equal to Fc minus F min. Here only one column is added in this experiment, that is the modulation index, which is given by M equal to delta F upon Fm. Okay, so this other table is same for as for the experiment number 6. So here what we have to do, we have to only find the modulation index. So initially we have to find the modulating signal amplitude value. Then if you find the modulation amplitude value, you can easily find out the Tmax. And if you find the Tmax, you can easily calculate the F mean, which is given by 1 upon Tmax. And if you know F mean, you can easily calculate the frequency deviation, which is delta F equal to Fc minus F mean. And after that you can calculate the modulation index M equal to delta F upon Fm. Now go back to the trainer kit, FM modem trainer kit. So this is the FM modem trainer kit. So here signal generator is used. So this signal generator generates the modulating signal, and this modulating signal is given as input to IC 8038, which is the modulator IC, and at the output we will get the FM signal. So here KT signal is internally given to this kit. So in this experiment we require FC. So first we will calculate FC here. To calculate FC, first we measure TC. So at this point, so TC equal to what? FC equal to what? 1 upon TC. To calculate TC, first we have to measure the TC. So at this point, we will get the FC. So without giving any connection to IC 8038, at the output we will get FC. So first calculate TC from here. So this is observation, this is the LCRO. So here we have to calculate this TC. So TC is nothing but the time period is nothing but the one complete cycle of the signal. So when this, where the signal completes this one cycle, that is TC. So here TC is around 1.6. It is at 1.6 and time per division is at 10 microsecond. So TC is equal to 1.6 into 10 microsecond. If you know the value of TC, you can easily find out the value of FC. And what is FC? FC equal to 1 upon TC. So put the value of TC here. So 1.6 into 10 microsecond. So if you calculate this, so now we know the value of FC. Now in first observation, we have to vary the amplitude and keep the frequency constant. For that we have to find out the value of FM. So what is FM? FM is equal to 1 upon Tm. So here we can calculate the value of Tm. So for Tm we have to vary the frequency adjustment knob. So here Tm it is a modulating signal time period. It is at 2.2. It is at 2.2 into time period is at 1 millisecond. So Fm equal to what? 1 upon 2.2 into 1 millisecond. So if you calculate it, you can easily get the value of Fm. Now for measuring the amplitude of modulating signal, connect the output of signal generator to the input of IC 8038, and the output we will get the FM signal. Now amplitude, first amplitude, what amplitude we will receive here? Let's see. It is 1 volt. It is 1 volt. And volt per division is at 1. So 1 into 1 equal to 1 volt. Now we calculate the Tmax. For calculating the Tmax, we have to give, you will find the Tmax over here. Here Tmax is 1.8, 1.8, one complete, one square and then 4 lines. In the next box we have used only 4 lines, and it is 1.8. Each line contains 2.2 second, and it will be 1.8 into 10 microsecond. So as we know the value of Tmax, now you can easily calculate Fmean. Fmean equal to 1 upon Tmax. So Tmax is what? 1.8 into 10 microsecond. Calculate it, then you can get the value of Fmean. Now to calculate the delta F, we know the value of Fc and we know the value of Fmean. Take the difference and you can get the value of delta F. And what is modulation index? It is value of delta F upon Fm. And what is Fm? The value of Fm we will get from the 1 upon Tm. So you can easily get the value of modulation index. So it's your job to calculate it and write down the value. Now we'll take the second reading over here. Now vary the frequency knob. Vary the amplitude knob here. So 1.4. It is at 1.4. into 1. That is 1.4 volt. Now calculate the value of Tmax. Calculate the value of Tmax over here. The value of Tmax here is, it is one complete cycle. Where the signal completes is one cycle. This is Tmax and this point is Tmax. Then it is 1.9 into 10 microsecond. As you know the value of Tmax, you can easily find out the value of Fmean, which is equal to 1 upon 1.9 into 10 microsecond. And if you know the value of Fmean, you can easily calculate deviation, frequency deviation. And if you know the value of frequency deviation, you can easily calculate modulation index, which is given by frequency deviation upon Fm. So this is the whole complete cycle. Now moving back to the next observation table, here we have to vary the frequency Fm and keep the amplitude constant. So Vm will be constant. So we'll take two observation. So first we have to vary the amplitude, and first we'll take the modulating signal frequency. Modulating signal frequency is at 1.4, time period is 1.2, and we have to calculate the value of Tmax. Into 1 millisecond, 2.9 millisecond. Then you can easily calculate Fmean, which is equal to 1 upon Tmax, 0.9 into 10 microsecond. And you know the value of Fc and you know the value of Fmean. Put the value and you can easily get the frequency deviation and modulation index. Now we'll take another value of modulating signal frequency. For that we have to calculate time period. The time period of modulating signal over here is it is at one complete square, then 2.2, the next square, so 2.2 into 1 millisecond. Now calculate the value of T max, that is the value of T max is 1.9 into 10 microsecond. Now find out the value of F mean. If you find out the value of F mean, you can easily calculate frequency deviation and modulation index. So this is all about your 7th experiment to generate FM wave and measure its modulation index. I hope you have understood the practical. Thank you. The calculation part, it's your job to calculate the complete calculation. Thank you.